Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about if I am sending an orders from my Python strategy, what will happen from OpenAlgo to the broker. That's what we're going to learn. Let's look into that. Let's assume that I'm using OpenAlgo place order function to place order in Reliance. I'm buying 10 quantities of Reliance in MAS as a market order. It'll be reaching the API endpoint of OpenAlgo. So it'll be using the OpenAlgo API and it'll be actively listening for the place order. And the first thing what it'll try to do is like the OpenAlgo will receive it and it'll be checking everything. It'll be checking the API key, symbol, exchange, action, price type, product, and quantity. So once your API key is authenticated, then next thing what we need is the auth token, which is available in the cache, right? So we can use it to place order. If in case if the cache is not available, then we can automatically take it from the openalgo.db. So by default, right, the OpenAlgo to broker API, the connection is kept open. We done the HTTP connection pooling for the faster transmission of the order. And this is the layer where your OpenAlgo API messages will be exactly converted into your broker API format so that your broker can accept the order. And when your order reaches the broker will be validating at both the sites at OMS and RMS, and then they will be issuing the order ID. And if the exchange is open, then your order will be transmitted to the exchange. So since Reliance is related to NSE, the order will be punched in the NSE and your order gets completed. When you are sending an order to the broker will be immediately respond with an order ID, followed by that a success message. The success message doesn't mean like your order got completed. It's just an acknowledgement. An order ID is not an execution confirmation, but an acknowledgement. Even on Saturdays, if you are sending an order, your order will get rejected by the broker and still broker will provide the order ID. And your order can fail for various reasons. So if it is failing, then you will get an relevant messages. So like 400, 403 and 500. So OpenAlgo orders are relatively faster because the token and symbols are kept in memory, and also HTTP connection pooling is done. So the connection is always warm to place order faster. So instead of placing orders from broker SDK, if you place orders through OpenAlgo, which is very much optimized, whereas broker SDK is not, right? So that way OpenAlgo is always faster than the broker SDK. So I hope you understand that. And thank you for watching and see you in another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.